Welcome to Database Mart's channel. In this video, we will present a performance review of 3 GPU servers, GT710, GT730, and T1000, focusing on running multiple instances of the LDPlayer emulator and evaluating their performance under different loads. First, we test the GT710 GPU server with the following configuration. We set the instance parameters to 1-core CPU and 1 GB RAM, and proceed to launch cloned instances while monitoring resource usage in real time. When opening the 10th instance, we observed that CPU usage reached 30% to 50%, RAM utilization hit 98%, and GPU utilization remained at just 3%. The test results show that the GT710 server can run 10 empty LDPlayer instances stably, with the performance bottleneck primarily related to memory, rather than the GPU itself. Next, let's take a look at the performance of the GT730 GPU server with the following configuration. Each instance was configured with 1-core CPU and 2 GB RAM, and common lightweight applications such as YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram were installed. As we attempted to run more instances, we noticed that some of the earlier launched instances became unresponsive. Through debugging and analysis, we found that memory became a bottleneck when reaching the 5th instance. At that point, RAM usage had climbed to 91%, becoming the primary performance constraint, while CPU usage remained between 30% and 40%, and GPU utilization stayed at a very low 2%. Lastly, we tested the T1000 GPU server with the following configuration. Each empty instance was allocated 2 cores CPU and 4 GB RAM. After started 25 empty instances, CPU utilization remained between 10% and 20%, RAM usage reached 69%, and GPU remained idle after startup. This indicates that the T1000 GPU server still has plenty of headroom and can support a higher number of instances. All the above 3 servers are capable of running multiple lightweight instances, and you can choose based on your specific needs and budget. For lighter tasks on a budget, the GT710 and GT730 offer great entry-level value. For higher performance demands and more instance support, the T1000 provides stronger capabilities and scalability, making it an ideal high-performance solution. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or would like to see more test content, feel free to leave a comment below. Follow us to learn more about servers.